Welcome back to Sweet Magnoliaa, your ultimate destination for everything related to interior design and decor. Whether you're a familiar face or joining us for the first time, we're delighted to have you here as part of our creative community. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the captivating world of eclectic interior design. This style is all about the art of mixing and matching to craft a truly unique space that reflects your personality and passions. In this video, prepare to be captivated by a visual journey into the intricate world of eclectic interior design, where various styles unite under the enchanting umbrella of eclectic. Explore bold declarations of modern maximalism, refined minimalism, nostalgic echoes of vintage and retro, serene lines of Scandinavian-inspired eclecticism, and the soulful charm of boho aesthetics. Witness how each space evolves into a unique canvas, where elements coalesce seamlessly. Immerse yourself in these captivating design tales, as eclectic design's allure lies in its ability to traverse an expansive spectrum of creative expressions, embodying the essence of innovation and imagination. Be ready to embrace a plethora of possibilities. This is the captivating allure that eclectic design unveils. So, without further ado, let's delve into the fascinating charm of eclectic design. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest inspiration. Now, let's begin. Eclectic interior design is a style that combines elements from various design eras, styles, and sources to create a cohesive and visually interesting space. It's all about mixing and matching different elements to achieve a unique and personalized look. Eclectic interior design has gained popularity due to its unique ability to reflect individuality, creativity, and a personalized sense of style. This approach to design allows homeowners to break away from strict design rules and embrace a more flexible and inclusive approach. Here's why eclectic style has become so popular. Expression of individuality. Eclectic design allows individuals to curate a space that truly represents their personality, interests, and experiences. This style is all about celebrating the individual's unique tastes and preferences. Freedom of choice. Unlike more traditional design styles that adhere to specific guidelines, eclectic design gives homeowners the freedom to mix and match various elements without being confined to a single era or theme. This freedom encourages creativity and innovation in design. Rich visual texture. By incorporating a wide variety of textures, colors, patterns, and materials, eclectic interiors offer a visually rich and dynamic environment. This creates a sensory experience that is both inviting and engaging. Nostalgia and history. The integration of antique and vintage pieces brings a sense of nostalgia and history into the space. These elements can carry stories and memories, adding depth and character to the design. Adaptability. Eclectic interiors can evolve and adapt over time. As personal tastes change and new items are acquired, they can seamlessly be integrated into the existing design, allowing the space to evolve without losing its character. Integration of diverse influences. Eclectic design allows for the incorporation of influences from different cultures, design eras, and artistic movements. This creates a layered and unique aesthetic that tells a story through design elements. Over time, the concept of eclectic design has evolved in response to changing design trends, cultural shifts, and technological advancements. While the core principles of mixing styles and elements remain, the way they are interpreted and combined can vary. For example, past eras and styles. In earlier times, eclectic interiors often incorporated antiques and vintage pieces from different historical periods. These spaces might have drawn inspiration from Victorian, Art Deco, or mid-century modern styles. Contemporary eclecticism. In more recent years, eclectic design has become more influenced by contemporary and minimalist aesthetics. Clean lines, neutral backgrounds, and carefully curated statement pieces have become common within this modern take on eclecticism. Global fusion. With increased access to global design influences, contemporary eclectic interiors often blend elements from various cultures and regions, creating a diverse and globally inspired aesthetic. Digital age influence. The rise of digital platforms has made it easier for people to discover and source unique furniture, decor, and design ideas from around the world, further enriching the possibilities within eclectic design. In essence, eclectic design has adapted to the changing design landscape while retaining its core philosophy of celebrating diversity and individual expression. As design trends continue to evolve, so too will the ways in which eclectic interiors are interpreted and realized. Here are some common features and components often found in eclectic interior design. Mix of furniture styles. Eclectic interiors often incorporate furniture pieces from different eras and styles. You might find a modern sofa paired with a vintage coffee table, or an antique armchair alongside contemporary shelving. Varied color palette. Eclectic design allows for a diverse color palette. While there can be a dominant color scheme, it's not uncommon to see pops of vibrant colors or unexpected color combinations. Texture variety. Mixing textures adds depth and visual interest to eclectic spaces. Combining materials like wood, metal, glass, textiles, and more creates a rich sensory experience. Patterns and prints. Eclectic interiors embrace patterns and prints, ranging from stripes and florals to geometric designs and animal prints. These can be present in upholstery, rugs, cushions, and artwork. Artwork and wall decor. Eclectic spaces often feature an assortment of artwork, including paintings, prints, sculptures, and other forms of creative expression. Different styles and mediums can coexist harmoniously. Decorative accessories. Unique and quirky accessories like vintage vases, decorative bowls, sculptures, and collectibles can be placed throughout the space to add character. Global influences. Eclectic design can draw inspiration from various cultures and regions around the world. Incorporating elements like Moroccan lanterns, Indian textiles, or Asian ceramics can contribute to the eclectic feel. Mismatched lighting. Eclectic spaces might have a mix of lighting fixtures, ranging from chandeliers and pendant lights to floor lamps and sconces, each with its own unique style. Antiques and vintage pieces. Incorporating antique and vintage furniture and decor items can add a sense of history and charm to an eclectic interior. Unconventional pairings. Eclectic design encourages experimentation. This could mean combining unexpected elements, like a rustic farmhouse table paired with modern acrylic chairs. Layered textiles. Layering textiles such as rugs, throws, and cushions with different patterns and textures can create a cozy and visually appealing atmosphere. Personal touches. Personal items and memorabilia can be integrated into the design, giving the space a sense of authenticity and reflecting the homeowner's personality. Open shelving and displays. Open shelves provide a platform for displaying an eclectic mix of books, decorative objects, and curiosities. Statement pieces. Eclectic interiors often feature standout statement pieces that catch the eye and become conversation starters, such as an oversized mirror or an intricately designed cabinet. Mix of materials. The use of various materials like reclaimed wood, metal, glass, leather, and more can contribute to the eclectic aesthetic. Remember that while eclectic design allows for a blend of different styles and elements, achieving a balanced and cohesive look is essential to avoid a cluttered or chaotic appearance. Thoughtful arrangement and a clear vision for the overall feel of the space are key to successfully implementing eclectic interior design features. As we wrap up our exploration of eclectic interior design, we hope you're feeling inspired to infuse your own unique style into your living spaces. Remember, in the world of eclectic design, there are no limits, just endless opportunities to blend eras, textures, colors, and cultures to create something truly remarkable.